Welcome back to our channel. In our previous video, we laid the foundation by discussing what data is and why it's so crucial in today's world. In today's video, we're delving deep into the world of data types. We'll be focusing on one of the fundamental categories, quantitative data. So let's get started. Before we dive into the types of data, let's understand the concept a bit better. Data is essentially information that we collect and analyze to make informed decisions, draw conclusions, or gain insights. It comes in various formats, and these formats are what we refer to as data types. Data types can be broadly categorized into two main groups, quantitative and qualitative data. First up, we have quantitative data. Quantitative data is like the language of science and analysis. It's all about measuring, counting, and quantifying information. This data type is incredibly structured and objective, making it ideal for making informed decisions and uncovering patterns. Quantitative data is further divided into two main subtypes, discrete and continuous data. Discrete data consists of separate and distinct values. Think of it as whole numbers that you can't have fractions or decimals for. To make things more relatable, let's consider some real-world examples of discrete data. Think about shopping for groceries. You might be counting how many apples, bananas, or oranges you're buying. You can't have half an apple, you either have one or you don't. These individual counts represent discrete data. Visualizing discrete data is a fantastic way to grasp its essence. Bar charts, histograms, and pie charts are some visual tools that can help us see the distribution and patterns within discrete data sets. So, there you have it, an exploration of discrete data. Now, let's talk about continuous data. Unlike discrete data's stepping stones, continuous data is like a flowing river with infinite points. It can take any value within a certain range. It's a world without gaps or interruptions, where measurements are not confined to distinct points. This makes continuous data incredibly versatile and useful in various fields. Let's explore some practical examples of continuous data. Think about measuring a person's height. You can have values like 165.3 centimeters, 170.8 centimeters, and so on. The height can take on any value within a range, without any breaks. This exemplifies continuous data. Temperature is another classic example. The temperature can be 25.5 degrees Celsius, 26.2 degrees Celsius, and so forth. There's an infinite number of possible values within the temperature range. Continuous data allows us to be incredibly precise in our measurements. This precision is vital in fields like science, engineering, and even finance, where small differences can have significant impacts. Visualizing continuous data can be a bit different from discrete data. Line graphs and smooth curves are often used to depict the gradual changes and patterns within continuous data sets. Now we have a clear understanding of what is quantitative data and its type. Let's take a look on some pros and cons of quantitative data. First up, let's talk about the benefits of quantitative data. One of the major strengths is its precision. Quantitative data provides numerical insights that are measurable and can be analyzed statistically. This gives us the ability to spot trends, make predictions, and draw clear comparisons. Another fantastic pro is the potential for large-scale analysis. Quantitative data is often collected from a wide range of sources, allowing us to conduct extensive studies that can uncover patterns and correlations across a large sample size. Of course, like anything, quantitative data has its own downsides. One major con is that it might miss contextual information. Numbers alone can't always capture the full picture. So, while we might have precise data, we might lack a deep understanding of the why behind those numbers. And that wraps up our exploration of quantitative data. In next video we will talk about qualitative data. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow data enthusiasts, and subscribe for more enlightening content.